Hey, okay, so I want to talk to you today about surviving, striving, and thriving. So there are three states or conditions a human will be in throughout their life, okay? And we move in and out of these. Either you're just surviving, you're striving, or you're thriving, okay? And we're moving out of these at all times. So let me explain what these mean. So just surviving is, you're just getting by. Don't really have any goals. You're like making it through a day. If you've ever been a mom, with a little newborn baby, you know what I'm talking about. You're just making it through the day. Okay, then there's times of striving where there is this struggle and there's this goal and you're working towards it. And then there's thriving where, you've reached the top, you've got good food, you got a comfy house, you got good transportation, good health, and what have you. So you're always moving in and out of these phases, but the ideal state or condition for a human is to be striving or thriving. But even when people are thriving, they're still striving to do more thriving. Okay, so it's well researched that the human brain prefers the striving because of that struggle, that overcoming. It's such a rewarding experience. And so, even once people are thriving, they still will come up with a new goal so that they can strive some more to reach a new goal. It's so rewarding to humans. So those are the two ideal states, is striving and thriving. And then, just surviving, we pass into that. Different things happen. We have health concerns. We have newborn babies. We have, just things happen, grief, but we move out of them. Now, the problem is when you stay in the just surviving condition, it's not healthy. It's not normal. It's not attractive to the human brain. I mean, naturally, humans don't want to be in that state. So when someone is stuck in that state, there's a problem. And a lot of people find themselves in that situation, and actually they think they have to find the source of the problem. They think they have to dig out the root cause and figure out what's wrong with them and what's the trauma that caused this and all that. And actually, no, you don't. You don't need to know shit about why you are stuck in the just surviving state. You don't need to diagnose yourself. All you have to do is say, I'm stuck. I'm going to set a goal and I'm going to start striving. That's it. You reach that goal, you start striving for another. You start striving, you're striving. And before long, you're thriving. And before long, the healthy condition of your brain, when it is where it needs to be, will resolve some of those problems. And you don't even know how, because you don't even know what the problems are, right? They resolve. So if you find yourself or someone you love and they're stuck in the just surviving, something's wrong. Check out the Giving Up Challenge that I've created. It's a website. It's got inspirational tips, videos, suggestions, workouts. Start striving, people. It's time to be awesome. Yes, you can do it. Yes. Yes, you can do it.